Bro, that nigga talking shit. Bro, what, bro? You gonna do what? You fuck my what? Man, my
my boy, that's Bruno, no went to that purple and black. No, this not a regular rap. Don't turn up the channel, no Bruno, keep vids like some ammo, they barely prepare. Take a challenger right off the ice, hold straight to the 1 to 100K, so got a share. And every time you hit Lamar, you know Bruno just out the vid, we go Bruno from her. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Bruno done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a promo, bro, driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Bruno the littest. YouTuber living.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy, that's Brandon. I'm back with another video. I'm back with another banger for y'all today, man. Hey, man, man, you know what the vibes is, man. I'm here, dog. And before I say anything, bro, I just hit 5,000 subscribers, bro. So everybody get a round of applause, man. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment, bro, and tell me congratulations. Tell me something, bro. You feel me? So none of it would not be possible if it wasn't for y'all, bro. So once again, shout out to y'all for watching my videos, liking the videos. You legit if you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, it's okay, cause you can subscribe now. I'm stuttering this shit. But it's 9 o'clock in the morning, man. I'm waiting on one more person, and that's Josh. Josh always on my ass about being late. And I done made like 30, 45 minutes late. Jew here. Jew in front of me. I'm going to show y'all Jew in his car. Yes, y'all already know who Jew is. He part, you know, he gang, he the member, so he always with me when I be vlogging. So it's 9, 10 in the morning, man. I'm about to go to the shop, get some work done on the car. I ain't gonna tell you what it is. Most likely you're gonna know what it is if you see the title in the thumbnail. But you still gonna watch the video because it's lit, bro. It's a lit vlog. I just hit 5,000 subs. It's a lot for me, bro. I've been grinding. I'm still on tour. Just got back from Texas. Going to, I can't even tell you what I'm going to, but I got 2 more states I'm gonna hit before the year over with. You know what I'm saying? So hit that like button. It's free to do that. Comment, it's free to do that. And subscribe, it's free to do that. I can't even cap, bro. Like, it's free. It's free. Free. You feel me? So let me go ahead and hop out. Oh, bro, let me tell y'all what happened. Let me close the door. So one night I'm driving, right? I'm driving, just, you know, cruising, you feel me? Somebody behind me kept flashing me. Like 3 cars kept flashing me. I'm like, bro, I'm thinking my gas cap open. I'm thinking I got my tire about to blow. So I get home, I slept it off. So in the morning, when I walk into my car, bro, guess what I see on the back of my car, bro? I'm gonna show y'all this. Because I know I'm not tripping, bro. Send me nudes, bro. Come on, bro. Gay. And I know, bro, it's either Jew or it was Josh that did this. So I got this. Hopefully it can come off, bro, cause this is crazy, bro. That man put this on my meat on my car, bro. Everybody else flashing me, bro. I wonder, like, why are these folks flashing me? I gotta watch it anyway. It's dirty. I know. It's dirty. Let's go see what you doing. My boy G right here, you know what I'm saying? You fit. The light's hard though. That's go subscribe to my boy Jew, man. Yes, what you gotta say to the vlog, bro? What you gotta say to the vlog, bro?
Hey man, my boy just hit 5K.
5K, bro. 5K, bro.
And my boy finna get the red lights. So yeah.
Oh, then you told him. I didn't even tell him what I was doing to the car. Man, I'm gonna bleep it out.
Definitely gotta cut that out.
Hey man. All right, so we waiting on Josh. Once Josh get here, then we can head to the shop. I'm about to call him, bro, see where he at, cause he late. And Josh, you always on my ass. Huh? No, you fit. You always on my ass about being late. Huh? So now that I'm here on time, bro, I don't want to hear nothing. Hold on, do I hear him? I'm gonna just turn back on when Josh get here. We're gonna see what his excuse is. We're gonna see. So let's see what excuse he gonna bring us. I'm gonna turn it back on. Bro, look who pulled up, bro. Let's see his reason, his excuse, and why he not here, and why he late. Any day, bro. No, fuck all that. Any day, bro. I'm always late. Why are you late?
Come here, YouTube. Come a little closer.
Why you late, bro?
Unlike these niggas, I have a job, okay? I got something to do.
Bro, any other day, bro, I'm late. They on my ass. But now he late. But he was at work, so we're gonna give him a pass now. You know what I'm saying? He's a hard-working man, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna give him a pass. But now since we all here, we're gonna go ahead and head to the shop, man, see what's going on. I'm gonna turn back on. bro, we just touched down, bro, at the shop. It's cold out here, so I'm gonna get a little walk through what we got going on. First off, we go Kennesaw State, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Therese, my little bro G5, that's blood, you know what I'm saying? The best CB in the nation, Therese Hamilton 5. We go Nike Tech, you know, something light, and we go, forgot what shit's called. I don't know what shit's called. We go Big Z01, really a V6, you feel me? Come on. We go big boat, you feel me? Big boat, you know what I'm saying? Purple wrap, nothing special, Come on.
Oh, we got the biggest right here.
This right here though?
Yeah.
This right here though?
This the biggest right here.
This right here though?
It's really a cat.
Bro, come on, bro. I don't gotta talk, bro.
No, like, hold on. It was a cat.
What is it now?
But I put the V6 in there.
Oh, damn. So what you do with the cat motor?
I sold that bitch.
You sold it? I feel you.
You know
what I'm saying? Then we got you know, if we're gonna go dirt bike riding, you feel me, in the dirt, we got this right here waiting on for you. You wanna chill at a golf course? Come on. You said what, fuck nigga? What? Why that nigga talking shit? Bro, what, bro? You gonna do what? You fuck my what? So what, nigga? Fuck, nigga, you did what? Hold on, nigga.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Like and subscribe, nigga. Nigga got me fucked up. What you say about? Oh hell no, nigga. What, nigga? What? What, nigga? Yo.
Hey, bro. So you know we got the wide body Hellcat.
Demon 170 though.
It's really Demon 170.
Yeah,
Now, this I think yeah. So we got the Demon 170 wide body. Then we got the slim body scat over here. You feel me? I don't know. Like that's crazy, bro. He just got this just sitting out here, bro. Like this is crazy, bro. So we got the slim body scat and we got the wide body Demon.
Damn.
You feel me? Demon 170. But he just got it sitting out, bro. You trying to take it, bro? Take the motor out?
Bro, Apex got everything out here. And
Bro, he got just
motherfucking ketchup.
got the ketchup. If you want some.
Hell yeah, you want some
fries?
ketchup?
Bro, look at the engine, bro. That junk is, bro.
Where that hoe at?
Look at the supercharged, bro. The supercharged.
Damn, precision
Bro,
blend.
that is crazy. 40? Bro, that is crazy. Bro, that Demon is tough.
He got that.
That Demon is tough, bro. Demon wide body scat. We still want to show a lot of scats, but hell yeah. So I'm gonna just turn y'all back on. I'm gonna just turn y'all back on once he get out here. It's cold, bro. It's freezing, bro. So I'm about to sit in the car. You feel me? I'm about to sit in the car and just wait till you get here, cause the heat feel better than the cold. And I'm gonna turn it back on. Let's go. Huh?
I'll probably be back.
All right, man, you see, just dropped the car off, you know what I'm saying? About to get some work done. I ain't gonna tell you what it is, you gotta just stay tuned. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell y'all, I might get a new wrap. You heard it first. If you need work done, bro, holla at my Brody from Apex, man, Atlanta on the north side of Marietta. Do everybody cars, he legit. And y'all gonna see when I get done. I'm gonna get a new wrap. I already told y'all, got a nice little scat right here. My boy getting some work too on his car. So, I ain't gonna tell you what color the wrap is, but yeah, the purple coming off, getting a new wrap. So, it's gonna take about a couple days. Y'all just stay tuned, man. So, we lit, for sure. So hit that subscribe button, like this video. We're on the road to 10K. Just hit 5K, so we're gonna go ahead and double that. We're on the road to 10K, so hit that subscribe button. And I'm gonna turn it back on once Y'all see the new rap? Let's go. Yo, hey man, I'm back at the shop, man. Y'all ready to see the new rap, bro? If you thought it was a new rap, you goofy as hell. But hey man, shout out to my boy Apex, man. Boy got me in the game, man. Let me know what y'all think, bro. Got the LED lights in that thing, you know what I'm saying? Switching it up. If you need your car worked on, go to Apex Customs, right here. Apex Customs, if you need your car worked on. Man, do everything, legit. You see the work right here? Got me looking clean. Hey, man. You see it right there? Hit my boy up. Hey, man, appreciate it again, my boy.
Of course.
Yes, sir.
Anytime.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. I'm gonna take my ass to bed. See y'all later.
Challenger, it be too low with that engine. New mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. Them trenches.